Welcome to Eddie's Cocktail Club. I'm Eddie, and in case you didn't know, rum isn't just for beach drinks and coconuts. Today, we're gonna make rum three ways: bright, bold, and that's right, booze-free. We're gonna start off making a classic daiquiri using Havana Club Añejo Blanco, and forget what you know about frozen slushies. See, the original daiquiri is a clean, crisp Cuban classic that dates back to the late 1800s in Santiago de Cuba. This cocktail celebrates the elegance of simplicity. So are we ready? Let's get started. For our classic daiquiri, it is a shaken cocktail. So we're gonna get our cocktail shaker, add some fresh ice to it, starting with a little Havana Club Añejo Clásico, so 2 ounces of that. Second, lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice. The fresher, the better. You always wanna use fresh squeezed juices if you're trying to make the best version of a cocktail. 3/4 of an ounce of our simple syrup. Now we give it a shake. Oh, it smells so good. Now, I like to serve it in a beautiful coupe glass, and we're gonna strain it. We're gonna get rid of all of those little pieces of lime. We wanna garnish it. I'm fancy, so I'm gonna use a little dehydrated lime. Voila. There she is, the classic Cuban daiquiri. Delicious. Next, we're gonna make a rum old fashioned featuring Bacardi Reserva Ocho. You think old fashioned is just for whiskey? Think again. This version highlights Bacardi Reserva Ocho, an aged rum that brings oak, vanilla, and spice to the party. It's your after dinner sipper, Latin style. We're gonna start with an ice-filled mixing glass and drop in 2 ounces of Bacardi Ocho. Then we're gonna put a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup in here. So the drink is already gonna be a little bit on the sweeter side. And then we're gonna add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters and a dash of orange bitters. And then we're gonna just stir this guy for about 20 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. You're not trying to water down the cocktail, but it's actually gonna taste better as water is infused in it. So I've got my 1 big cube in my rocks glass, and I'm gonna pour this guy over, make sure I don't get ice in there. And then last but not least, a little bit of orange peel. Get a little bit of the oils out, drop it, and there you have it. Your simple and gorgeous rum old fashioned. Delish. Last but not least, we're gonna make a 0 proof old Cuban. See, the old Cuban isn't actually old. It's a modern classic created in the early 2000s in New York by the legendary mixologist Audrey Saunders. Inspired by the mojito, my 0 proof version keeps the sophistication and fizz without the alcohol. It's herbaceous, refreshing, and inclusive for everyone at the party. So it's gonna start out with some fresh mint. Why? It's inspired by the mojito. So I've got about 5-6 fresh mint leaves, and then I'm gonna put in just about a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And what we wanna do now is we wanna extract some of the flavors of that mint. So we're gonna muddle it. So we're gonna get my muddler here. I've got the simple syrup, and I'm just crushing and breaking down the fibers of the leaves of that mint. And then I'm gonna add my rum. I'm using Ritual Rum Alternative. It's gonna have a lot of the same characteristics of rum with, of course, 0 booze. So we add an ounce, and then I'm gonna drop in 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, some ice to the mix, and then we're gonna give it a shake. I can feel it gets nice and cold on the side. That's when I know it's ready. We don't want to waste anything as always, so we're gonna strain it here through our mesh strainer. We don't want to sit there and start chewing on leaves. And then here is the secret: alcohol removed sparkling wine called Joyous, and we're gonna top it off with this sparkling wine. Top it off with a little mint leaf, the non-alcoholic old Cuban. Cheers. Ooh, that's really good.